5 Best Mini Fridge 2024. 1. CROWNFUL. The CROWNFUL Mini Fridge is a versatile device ideal for storing food, drinks, skincare products, and cosmetics. It has a 4-liter capacity, fitting up to 6 12-ounce soda cans, and comes with a carry handle for portability. It can cool or warm items with a temperature range from 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius to 149 degrees Fahrenheit 65 degrees Celsius, and operates quietly with a brushless high-grade fan motor. The fridge is eco-friendly, Freon-free, and ETL certified for safety and energy efficiency, compatible with both standard home outlets and 12V car chargers. BEICHEN. The BEICHEN Mini Fridge is a versatile solution for keeping beverages, snacks, cosmetics, and more chilled or warm. With a 4-liter capacity, it features adjustable shelves for organizing skincare products, yogurt, and fruits, and comes with a built-in handle for portability. The fridge can connect to both household and car power, offering flexibility in usage. It can cool to temperatures ranging from 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, and warm up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit 65.5 degrees Celsius. Utilizing thermoelectric technology, it operates quietly and vibration-free, with low energy consumption. BEICHEN offers a 1-year warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction. Cooluli. The Cooluli Mini Fridge is a lightweight and convenient option for various settings like bedrooms, cars, office desks, and dorm rooms. With a 4-liter capacity, it's versatile for storing food, drinks, skincare products, medications, and more. It's particularly suitable for storing skincare and beauty essentials due to its compact size. The fridge operates quietly and efficiently using semiconductor technology. It comes with AC, DC, and USB power options, making it flexible for indoor and outdoor use. However, it's important to note that it only works with 110/120V outlets to avoid damaging the unit. AstroAI. The AstroAI Mini Fridge 2.0 Gen is a practical and stylish option suitable for various settings like bedrooms, offices, and trips. With a 6-liter capacity, it can store up to 8 cans or 4 bottles of water. It features both cooling and warming functions, capable of cooling up to 32 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature and warming up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The fridge comes with 2 power cords for home and car use, ensuring convenience on the go. Its intuitive design includes silicone pads for stability and hidden hinges for scratch protection. 5. CUTIEWORLD. The CUTIEWORLD Makeup Fridge offers dual functionality, allowing users to switch between hot and cold modes with temperatures ranging from 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a touchscreen LED mirror door with 3-level brightness adjustment for better skincare and makeup application. The fridge is suitable for home and car use, equipped with both AC and DC power cords. Operating at ultra-low decibels, 25 dB, it ensures a quiet environment in various settings. Additionally, it is eco-friendly, utilizing modern thermoelectric cooling technology without freon and consuming minimal power. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.